Jay Swaminarayan, myself Kumudini Nalaude, Atmi Green School, Standard 5th, subject GK. So already we have started our revision. So let's continue. Okay, so our next chapter is with respect to religion. One second. Okay, he received the first who is being talked about, किसके बारे में बताया गया है, और यहाँ जंबल वर्ड दिए है तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमें इसका क्या करना है, नेम लिखना है, राइट. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. Who is being talked about? He received the first revelation of Angel Gabriel on Mount Hira. These revelation were later written in the Quran. Is Prophet Muhammad. She received a message from God while traveling in a train from Kolkata to Darjeeling in 1946. Her order of nun is called Missionaries of Charity, Saint Teresa, Mother Teresa. Born Siddhartha, he attained the enlightenment under a people tree in Bodh Gaya. He told people to achieve nirvana or enlightenment by following the eightfold paths. So he is Gautam Buddha. He received the 10 commandment from God, and Mount Sinai. He led his people out of Egypt to promise the land of Moses. Then he was the eldest son of King Dasharatha and Queen Kaushalya. He had 3 younger brothers. He is also believed to be the 7th avatar of Lord Vishnu. Okay, so everyone know it. It's Lord Rama. Then read the clues and fill in the blanks. Jews or people who practice Judaism pray and worship here. What is it called? It is synonym. So you can see in the picture also. Then just like followers of other religion, Baha'is is to want to peace among the people. In which city the Lotus Temple located? So it is in New Delhi. So it's a very beautiful structure. Okay. Then next, name the well-known Indian who delivered the famous address at the Parliament of World Religion 1893. He is Swami Vivekananda. Okay, our next chapter is flying high. So let's start. Airports around the world have special names. Okay, so unscramble the letters within the bracket to get the names of the cities they are located in. Write this name on the blanks given. Then look at the box given below. Match the national carrier or national airlines associated with these lines in the box given aside. Okay, so let's start. LHR, London. Okay, so it's from, so I have given here the numbers in the boxes. So I will read the answer also, right? So it is D, that means the British Airways. Then CDG, that is from Paris, and it is Air France. Then third, it is FRA. It is Frankfurt, and it is from Lufthansa. Then it is fourth one now. Yeah, FCO, it is from Rome, and it is Alitalia. Okay, Alitalia. Then next, KHI, it is from Karachi, and it is Pakistan International Airlines. Then next, ATH, it is from Athens, and its name is Olympic Air. Then BKK, it is from Bangkok, and its name is Bangkok Thai Airways. Then AMS, it is from Amsterdam, and it is KLM. Then next, DXB, it is from Dubai, and it is H, that is Emirates. Then next, SYD, it is Sydney, and it is a Qantas. Then Next one is DEL, it is from New Delhi and it is Air India. And last one PEK, it is from Beijing and its name is Air China. Okay, so let's start the next chapter. So it is the wildlife in India. So we have already learned some chapters on wildlife. So still here is the one interesting chapter. Okay, India's dense forests are home to many animals, birds, reptiles, and some of them are okay, just 1 second. Is it 24? Right. Fine. So India's dense forests are home of many animals, birds and reptiles. Some of them are rare and endangered while many of them become extinct. In order to protect our wildlife, these forests are being converted into sanctuaries and parks. Answer these questions and based on them orally. Okay. So let's start. Fine. In Kaziranga National Park in Assam is the home of one horned rhinoceros which is disappearing rapidly. On the bank of which river is it is located? So it is located on the river Brahmaputra. Okay. So let's discuss this next question. Which wildlife sanctuary lies on the border of India and Bhutan? It is Manas Wildlife Sanctuary. Then third, when you are holiday on Bhubaneswar, Orissa, which famous zoological park you should certainly visit? It is Nandankanan. Okay. Then next, Nal Sarovar is the lake which attracts many birds including flamingo and cranes. In which state is it located? So it is in Gujarat. Besides the tiger, which other animals mainly found in the Periyar Tiger Reservoir? It's wild elephant. In which state you find the Keoladeo National Park? What is it is well known for? So it is found in Rajasthan and in it is famous for Siberian cranes. So it is a different type of cranes and it is so beautiful. Okay, then the last one. The national park in India has been named after Jim Corbett, the famous writer and the animal lover who wrote several popular books and books about tiger. What is the park? So it is the Corbett Tiger Reserve. Okay, so let's see the next chapter now. Facts of life. So here we have to take the true or false. Okay, so let's start. Every year millions of nibbling rats bring millions of hectares of crop in the world. True or false? It is true. Birds of prey have powerful hooked beaks. True or false? It's true. Some insects like cockroach, ants, and may live for several weeks even after the heads are cut off. True or false? It is true. Babies and sick people can drink cow's milk because it is easier to digest than goat milk. So it is false because goat milk is easier to digest. Then next, fifth one. Hummingbird can fly backward. So it is true. Mosquitoes do not have teeth. Yeah, it is true. The spine-tailed swift found in the Indian subcontinent can fly at a speed of 170 km per hour. So it is true. If you start to lose your balance, use your arms to remain or regain your balance. Monkeys in the same situation use the tail. Is it true or false? Oh yeah, it's a true. Camels sway from the side to side when they walk because they lift both their edge on one side at the same time. Is it true or false? So it is true.